Hello, my name is Lopez, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy, sell, trade, withdraw, deposit and stake cryptocurrencies on Bitrue. After watching this video, this step-by-step tutorial, you will know exactly how to use Bitrue like a pro. So let's begin. Okay, so the first step is to sign up on bitrue.com, link in description and pinned comment. But after doing that, it's really simple. It takes a few minutes and you're done. Okay, so after that, this is the home page that you will see. Okay, so let me refresh it. Okay, so this is the home page, and like you can see, here are announcement, here are like a banner here, and here are their top cryptocurrencies. Here you can see rising markets, declining markets, and like all the things that you want to use are on the first home page. Okay, Bitrue also has an app version. I have been using the app for years. I absolutely love it, so I highly recommend you to download it also. Okay, but when we go to buy and sell, this is where you can straight up buy cryptocurrencies with your credit card. Okay, so they have added more options here, but I have been using this credit card by Simplex. I've been using Simplex a lot and I absolutely love them. All you have to do is basically go click buy, and here you can buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. These cryptocurrencies: Ethereum, Ripple XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Luna and Gala, straight up with your credit card. Okay, so I've been using this a lot. All you have to do is come here, select the coin that you want to buy, select how much you want to buy, select the currency that you want to buy with, and after that just click buy now, and then you will be taken to Simplex. Like you can see, it's powered by Simplex, where you just verify that you are you and you verify the payment, and after that the Bitcoin will show up right here in your assets. Okay, so now I want to show you how to withdraw and deposit cryptocurrencies on Bitrue. It's extremely easy. All you have to do is come to assets, and here you can see the cryptocurrencies that you own. So if you, for example, want to deposit Bitcoin on your Bitrue account, all you have to do is click deposit, and here you will get your Bitcoin address, and that's it. Okay, like you can see, I've been depositing some Bitcoin here, and that's it. That's how you can deposit any cryptocurrency here. And if you want to withdraw your Bitcoins, all you have to do, or any cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is come here, my assets, and click withdraw. Okay, so here you can withdraw your cryptocurrencies, and that's that. Now I'm going to show you how you first can buy some Bitcoin, and then trade that Bitcoin into any other cryptocurrency. Okay, so when you go to buy and sell and go to credit card Simplex, I already showed you. Here you can buy cryptocurrencies. For example, let's buy Bitcoin. Okay, so buy Bitcoin, buy now, and go through that order process, and when you go to your assets, your Bitcoin will show up right here. Okay, so now to trade that cryptocurrency, that Bitcoin, into other cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is go to exchange and go BTC. So these are BTC pairings for any all the cryptocurrencies that Bitrue has. Okay, so for example, if you want to trade your Bitcoin into let's say VeChain. Okay, let's buy some VeChain. All you have to do is click wedge/BTC, and here you can straight up buy VeChain with your BTC. Remember that this works for any cryptocurrency here, and if, for example, if you own XRP, the same method works for XRP or Ethereum or USDT. So you can use Bitcoin, USDT, XRP or Ethereum to buy these other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so the method is always the same, it just changes what you are using to buy them. Okay, so here is your order book, and this may look confusing, and it was when I first started trading and buying cryptocurrencies, but let me simplify you all this. Okay, so the green orders are buy orders, so somebody else is also currently buying VeChain. Okay, and the red numbers are selling orders, so somebody else is currently selling VeChain. Okay, so now we are buying VeChain. Like you can see here, we are buying VeChain and using BTC to buy VeChain. So all we have to do is check out these red numbers here. So we want to buy VeChain from somebody who is selling VeChain. Okay, that makes sense. And to get the best price, to get the most coins, bang for your buck, all you have to do is click the bottom one of the red numbers. Okay, so the bottom one of the red numbers is the lowest price that somebody is currently willing to sell their VeChain tokens. Okay, so when you click that, you will automatically get the most tokens. Okay, so click that. Like you can see here, now the price that you want to buy is locked in. So when I click the 0.9, it will show up here 0.9. So this is the price that you're willing to pay for VeChain. Okay, so now you have to do is select how much VeChain you want to buy. You can use this scrolling link here, or you can just type in the amount that you want to buy. Okay, for example, if you want to buy VeChain with 50% of your bitcoins, all you have to do is go here and 50%, and now you're buying with 50% of your bitcoins. Okay, but if you want to sell all of your bitcoins to buy VeChain, all you have to do is scroll 100%, and you're selling all bitcoins and now buying everything, bet with everything. Okay, after that, click buy bet, and when you go back to your assets, and now you can see I just bought some VeChain with my bitcoins. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so now like you can see, we traded our bitcoin into VeChain. Now if I want to sell this VeChain to buy other cryptocurrencies with it, so all I have to do is come here, and when you just trade, I can sell this VeChain for Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, or XRP. Okay, so let's say that I would come here and I would like to buy, for example, I would like to buy, let's say that I would like to buy BNB. Okay, and I see that, okay, BNB has XRP pairing. So now I would go to my assets and come here and sell my VeChain for XRP so I can trade it for BNB. Okay, so come here. Then now we are selling our bet. We are not buying, we are selling. So we have to check out this. We have to check out green numbers. Okay, so when you click the top one of the green numbers, that is the highest amount that somebody is willing to buy their VeChain. Okay, so when you click the top one, you will automatically get the most coins. Okay, so click the top one. After that, select how much you want to sell. Okay, so for example, let's say that I want to sell all my VeChains for XRP. So all I had to do now is sell bet. Okay, after I click that, submit it successfully, like you can see here. And when I go to my assets now, like you can see, I have XRP now. So now I can keep trading my cryptocurrencies however I want. Okay, so you can use this strategy to buy anything. The next is power picking. So this is staking. Okay, so like you can see, I staked a little bit of XRP to see how it works, so I can actually tell people how to use this. Okay, so here's how you can stake your cryptocurrencies on Bitrue. So you come to here, power picking, and you can see cryptocurrencies here that you can stake. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies here that you can stake, and they have all their different percents. Okay, I staked XRP and it has interest rate 4.1, and I staked like a 10 XRP to check it out for a couple of days, and this is how much I earned. Okay, but if you put like 10,000 XRP, obviously you are going to earn like 1 XRP a day or something like that. But anyway, you can check out the percents here and see if you want to try this out. Like you can see, commodity caps will be opened at 10 p.m. UTC +8. So keep the you have to translate the time here, if whatever time zone you are watching this. But anyway, these always will go out of lock, and basically, and then it says here that so you can participate. So currently all of these are sold out, are always sold out. But if you come to this time, you can for sure participate in staking your cryptocurrencies on Bitrue. All you have to do is come here and then click details, and here you can, like you can see, here is the when they will be released, so 6 hours, and after here you just amount how much I want to participate, and then just click join, and you will get your rewards. Okay, and after that, whenever you want to stop it, all you have to do is come here and click on freeze, and then the cryptocurrency that you staked will show up back in your assets. Okay, and with your rewards. Okay, so that's how it works. It's really easy, it's really simple. I recommend you to come try it with a little cryptocurrency and see how it goes and how easy it is, you can actually start earning passive income with your cryptocurrencies. Of course, don't lock up all your cryptocurrencies here, but you know, maybe a little, just to try it out. So that's how you can buy, sell, trade, withdraw, deposit, and stake your cryptocurrencies on Bitrue. Okay, so I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you have any problems with Bitrue, if you have any problems with cryptocurrency at all, I'm here to help you. So leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more daily awesome videos. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.